In the year 1857, the first spark of freedom was lit. The British East India Company's unjust policies and disrespect for Indian tradition led to anger among the people and sepoys. For the first time, the people of India raised their voice against British rule. This was the first war of independence, and the one brave soldier led the way, Mangal Pandey. Our little stars of LKG 2 and UKG 2 will take you back to that moment, a moment filled with struggle, sacrifice, and the dream of freedom.
ये भारत माँ का अपमान हम नहीं सहेंगे। अंग्रेजों को भारत से भागना ही होगा। मारो फिरंगी को,
मारो फिरंगी को, मारो फिरंगी को, मारो फिरंगी को, मारो फिरंगी को।
मंगल, ये बहुत सावे है, भाग चलो। नहीं, हम इनसे नहीं जीत सकते हैं मंगल। हम जीतेंगे, जरूर जीतेंगे। आजादी लाएगा। मेरा खून मीठे में मिलके आजादी लाएगा।
अल्लाह बोल।
The British thought they had crushed the rebellion, but from the land of Jhansi rose a queen, fierce and fearless, who became the lioness of India, Rani Lakshmi Bai. When the revolt broke out in 1857, Jhansi became a center of resistance. Rani Lakshmi Bai fought bravely against the British, refusing to give up her kingdom.
तिनका था हमने सवारा, अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा। लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव।
लिखेंगे आजादी की कहानी, झांसी कभी नहीं चुकेंगी, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी।
Jhansi is ours. Capture the queen. देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
We present before you a heart-touching tableau, a scene that changed the course of India's freedom struggle. The place is Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, Punjab, a peaceful garden where people gathered on April 13, 1990 to raise their voice against British injustice, unaware that this day would turn into a nightmare. Our tableau brings alive the pain, the courage and the sacrifice of innocent Indians who were brutally attacked not with words but with bullets.
No warnings, no mercy. Bullets rained down on men, women, and even children. Many jumped into a well to escape, but death was everywhere. More than 1,000 Indians were killed. For what? For asking for their rights? For dreaming for freedom? But the bullets could not kill their spirit. Jallianwala Bagh woke up a nation. From this pain rose the fire of freedom.
तेरे मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
The year is 1930. India is under British rule. The British have taken away even the simplest rights from Indians, even the right to make salt.
But one man, Mahatma Gandhi, decides to fight this injustice, not with weapons, but with peace. He begins a long journey on foot from Sabarmati Ashram to the village of Dandi to break the salt law.
With this salt, I break the law of the British. This salt is the symbol of our freedom and it belongs to every Indian.
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
In August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi gave a call to the people of India, do or die. The Quit India movement began, and Indians everywhere rose to demand freedom.
British, leave India. We will take our freedom or we will sacrifice our lives. Do or die. Quit India. Quit India. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram!
Freedom is a birthright. We shall have it.
We will make this war a matter of our mother's honor. British must leave India. Quit India.
Vande Mataram!
Stop this nonsense. Arrest these leaders.
हमारे नेता को छोड़ो! भारत छोड़ो! भारत छोड़ो! भारत छोड़ो! भारत छोड़ो! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
This was not the end. It was the beginning of India's final march to independence. After years of struggle, after countless sacrifices, the day finally arrived. August 15, 1947, India was free. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Free from the chains of slavery, free from foreign rule, free to breathe the air of our own land. India shall now be a free nation. It has been an honor. The British rule ends here.
With this pen, I sign away slavery. At last, we are free. Our freedom fighters didn't just fight, they gave up their dreams, their blood, and even their lives, so that we, the children of today, could live in a free and proud India. This freedom is the gift to us. Let's never forget their sacrifice.
भारत अपनी आँख का तारा है, भारत ही तो आशियां हमारा है। भारत अपनी आँख का तारा है। भारत ही तो आशियां हमारा है। लोरी है तू ही है माँ दुनिया ये शोर है। खींचे जो हर पल हमको तू ही वो डोर है। वतना वे तू जान से प्यारा है। भारत ही तो आशियां हमारा है। दुश्मनों ये सोच लो, आए जो हिंदुस्तान में बंदूक और बारूद हम बोरेंगे हर खलिहान में। बलिदान है अपना धर्म, माटी को माँ कहते हैं हम, माटी को माँ कहते हैं हम। सुनना मरना हमको जीने से प्यारा है। भारत ही तो आशियां हमारा है।